Alright guys, what up? Today I just got a little tool update for you. And been grabbing some stuff here over the last few weeks, man. Nice little sales been going on, so I'm gonna start off first, man. I went to Harbor Freight and grabbed this right here. It's an angle grinder. So you guys already know what that's for. You already know what it's for. The price I got it for though is just nice, man. I went to Harbor Freight and I'm getting this. I got this right here, grinding wheel, 4.5, which a lot of guys recommend. Got that to go on there. And then I also grabbed this folding light. And this thing looks pretty cool, man. It's got the high-low flash on there. See, it flips. Got a kickstand with magnets on the bottom. So, Braun, it's the brand. And as far as the brand on the Warrior, it's a Warrior grinder. And really can't beat that, guys. Price $21.16, fellas. $21.16, and that's for grinder, wheel, light. Now that's an amazing deal if you ask me. I mean, you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Then I grabbed this, so we'll go to this next. But I grabbed this week also. It's a 20V DeWalt Impact. Now a while ago, and I'm getting a 12V. And you know, the 12V, I use it for some little stuff around the house, but as I can see, doesn't work at all for getting those blades off the bottom of the thing. But that's me. That's a little learning experience going on still. I'm still in the field of learning. See the 12V thing looks pretty cool. That's the battery thing on there. See, I got that a while ago, but this is the new one. 20V DeWalt brushless impact. So hopefully this thing right here get those blades off with it. And I was actually gonna get the Milwaukee 18V before I grabbed this, but the store was all sold out. You had to get the Milwaukee on the internet, and I just didn't want to go to the mail. I already got a DeWalt with that, so I figured I'll just stick with the DeWalt brand. But the bits, I was recommended that the Milwaukee bits are pretty excellent. I got these because I want to try to take my trailer and I'm gonna put some equipment defender stuff on it. I'm gonna end up getting some equipment defender stuff when the spring comes back around, and want to have it bolted down real nice. And I'm gonna put it on there, slap it on there with these. Use those to do it. And also, I got them because I want to take my other trailer. I'm trying to build a box, fellas. I want to build a leaf box for my leaf jobs. So 99 bucks, $9.99, $9.99, $1, and $5. So all together, got about, let's see, 110, 25, 35, 136 bucks, fellas. And these are all excellent add-ons to what I'm out here doing. So all of them is well needed. Especially this and this. After I went through what I went through with my mechanic. Now, that Warrior, it might not be the best thing. But for $9 and a 2-year warranty, you can't beat it. You got a 2-year warranty on that thing for $9. And the receipt, this one's somewhere. Okay, yeah, my receipt's right here, so I'll show it to you. I mean, you can't beat that. Then one thing I like about Harbor Freight, as long as you got a phone number, then they will get you together as far as your return. I'm trying to get it where it focuses in. 2116, man. So, a few add-ons, man. You guys let me know what you think. Those blades, I really never changed no blades. I was taking everything to my mechanic, dropping it off, having somebody do it for me. So things are gonna switch up now. And I'm opening up this light, man. I want you guys to see this light. I'm opening up this thing. Now guys, this is a nice light. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's got the light right there. Got the blink action. It's got the top part. But this is what I like about the top, guys. See that hook? You can just take that, put it like this, right in the back. My light went out, so I can't actually do it. But the hook fits right in the back. Flips right out. That's a pretty cool light right there, fellas. Then on top of that, show you what else it can do. Smack. So, I'm gonna take it, stick it like that. You know, hit the button, try it out. And I think that's pretty cool. I'm just noticing it also has a magnet on the back. See that? It's pretty cool, guys. And in the back, notice another magnet. It's a nice light, man. If you ask me. Great deal there from Harbor Freight. So let's see how far back that thing goes. Ain't too bright. Doesn't look too bright right there. But that front thing, I could use that. Get the magnets on it. Put the magnets on, man. However I need, angle them. Stick it like that, angle it. Get up under there, look at those blades. Pretty nice. So, like I say, you can't beat that, man. 21 bucks, that. And with this, 21 bucks. Now, I'm gonna open this up. We'll see what that looks like. So, this is what the grinder looks like. Getting some light for it. What the grinder looks like, fellas. There's the side piece. Right. $9. Think you guys can beat that? Man. Everybody can afford everything. Some guys actually shop it on a budget. Alright, so fellas, some updates, man. Some new add-ons, man. You guys let me know what you think. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Less than 150 bucks. So, we'll get out of here, man. Holler at you guys later, man. Stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Yeah, give me the thumbs up, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, hit the thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Boneyard Live.
Start smoking.